In this video, we listed the 5 best robot mops that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ECOVACS DEEBOT X2. The ECOVACS X2 Omni is an advanced robot vacuum and mop combo designed to deliver ultimate convenience and efficiency in home cleaning. Featuring a powerful 8,000 pascals suction and an extra-long roller brush, it effectively cleans both hard floors and carpets, making it ideal for homes with pets. Its intelligent 15mm auto mop lifting system detects carpets to avoid unnecessary mopping while enhancing suction for thorough carpet cleaning. Equipped with AI-controlled AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle avoidance and dual laser LiDAR navigation, it navigates and maps your home with precision, even in complex environments. The robot includes an all-in-one Omni station for self-emptying, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying, ensuring continuous operation without odors. Controlled via app, voice, or buttons, and featuring a Yeeco 2.0 voice assistant for seamless interaction, the X2 Omni offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with integrated live video monitoring for added security. Number 2. Bissell SpinWave Robot. The Bissell SpinWave is a versatile robotic cleaner designed to handle a variety of surfaces with its automatic height adjustment feature. It is equipped with a 2-tank cleaning system that allows it to vacuum and mop simultaneously, catering to low-pile carpets, area rugs, bare floors, and sealed wood floors. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 100 minutes of runtime on hard floors and can be controlled via the Bissell Connect app for scheduling cleaning cycles remotely. The robot utilizes a triple-action cleaning system in dry cleaning mode, combining dual spinning edge brushes, a rotating brush roll, and strong suction to effectively clean debris. It includes specialized features like a soft surface avoidance sensor to prevent mopping carpets and area rugs and comes with additional accessories such as hard floor expert mop pads and a wood floor cleaning formula. Number 3. iRobot Braava Jet M6. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a Wi-Fi connected robot mop designed for efficient cleaning of hardwood, tile, and stone floors. It features a precision jet spray for tackling tough messes like kitchen grease, utilizing iAdapt 3.0 navigation with VSLAM technology and imprint smart mapping for effective navigation and cleaning. This model supports app control, allowing users to manage cleaning schedules and monitor progress remotely. It automatically recharges and resumes cleaning as needed, making it ideal for multiple rooms. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, the Braava Jet M6 combines smart functionality with thorough cleaning capabilities, boasting a compact design measuring 10.6 inches in length, width, and 3.5 inches in height, and weighing 4.9 pounds in grey and black color options. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Essential Combo is a versatile cleaning device designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously, featuring edge cleaning capabilities and an eco mode for efficient cleaning. It comes in a sleek black color and dimensions of 13-inch X30 WX 3.15H, suitable for wood, hard floors, and carpet. Controlled via an app, it uses a lithium-ion battery and includes batteries upon purchase. The robot employs a 4-stage cleaning system to ensure thorough cleaning, navigates efficiently with smart sensors to avoid obstacles and stairs, and autonomously returns to its charging station when low on battery. The iRobot Home app enhances usability with features like remote cleaning control, scheduling options, and cleaning reports, making it a convenient and effective cleaning solution for homes. Number 5. Dreame X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Dreame X30 Ultra is a high-tech robotic vacuum cleaner designed to streamline home cleaning tasks with advanced features. It boasts ultrasonic carpet detection and a sleek black design, fitting seamlessly into modern interiors. Measuring 17.2 inches in length, 17 inches in width, and 26.8 inches in height, it includes lithium-ion batteries and supports various surfaces including hard floors, carpet, marble, wood, and tile. Control options are versatile with both remote and app capabilities. The vacuum offers auto maintenance features like self-emptying dustbins and automatic mop maintenance, enhancing convenience and cleanliness. With Mop Extend RoboSwing technology, it navigates under low furniture effortlessly, while its 8,300 pascals suction power ensures thorough cleaning of carpets and floors. Smart features like AI object recognition and 3D structured light technology enable it to identify and avoid obstacles, enhancing cleaning efficiency even in dimly lit areas. The Dreame X30 Ultra promises personalized cleaning solutions and efficient maintenance, making it a standout choice for tech-savvy homeowners seeking hands-free cleaning solutions.